can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got devotion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some deep cleaning. My house is fairly picked up, so we're just going to be able to get right into the deep cleaning. I need to vacuum my couches. I've dusted pretty recently. In my last video I redecorated, so I did dusting then, so I don't really need to do that today, but I need to wipe down appliances, deep clean my stovetop, do the floors. Since the house is mainly picked up, it's going to be really nice. Along with the floors, mopping and all that, I need to do the bathroom. I already have a load going in the washer. We have quite a bit of laundry to do because between Waverly getting sick, me and Trajan, with Memorial Day, we were just busy. So we need to get lots of laundry done today. And I need to deep clean the bathroom so bad. So we're gonna go ahead and get right on into the cleaning.
I don't know how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down. I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again.
I wanted to get things started here in the living room just by tidying up, vacuuming the couches, and just getting the floors nice and vacuumed. Like I said before, I didn't need to do any dusting because I had already done that in a previous video a couple days prior, so I didn't need to do any dusting on this day, which did cut out quite a bit of the cleaning, which was nice that I could just go right into doing other tasks because I did have a pretty long list of what all I wanted to get accomplished. So I'm going to go ahead and get these living room floors vacuumed, and then we're going to move on into the table, clear it off, and then get up the stools so that way at the very end I can get everything mopped. And then we're going to move on into the bathroom and just give the bathroom a really good overall deep clean.
With you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. Cause every moment with you makes me even
I am just using my homemade Dawn dish soap, vinegar, and hot water cleaner that I always like to use in the bathroom when I want to give it a really good thorough clean. So I sprayed that all over the counter and the sink, got that all cleaned up, wiping it down with a cloth, and then I'm going to go ahead and take some spray away and I will spray down the mirror, wipe that all down, and just get it nice and clean, and then we'll move on into the toilet area.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
So for the inside of the toilet, I'm just using that same cleaner that I used on the vanity, and then I'm wiping down the outside of the toilet with just some Clorox disinfecting wipes. I always just like to use those. And then now we're going to move on into the tub, and I'm just going to use that same homemade cleaner. I just really like it for just a simple clean where I can do a really good deep clean, but I don't have to do a ton of scrubbing because it does the work for me. So I'm going ahead, spraying that down, letting it soak for a little bit, and then I will take my Scrub Daddy sponge and just go ahead and get it all scrubbed nice and clean. Something that I really like to do that I need to do probably soon is take my Bissell Steam Shot and just do a really good thorough clean in the tub. So be looking forward to me cleaning my bathtub soon with that. After I did that last month, I was like, this is so nice for just a really good deep clean, and I felt like it was really cleaning and disinfecting my tub. And so I want to try to do that once a month. So I'm going to be hopefully getting to that again soon, just because I feel like it cleans it so well. And something that I forgot to do on this day was clean the shower head. Our landlord recently turned on our sprinklers, and if you guys have been around, you know that we have like a lot of minerals in our water, and whenever our landlord runs like the water from his well to fill up like the trough for the horses, we end up getting tons of like minerals and just dirt coming through our water. And then we also, whenever the sprinklers turn on, we end up getting that quite a bit too. So our shower head had kind of gotten clogged up, so I need to take that and like really clean it. So I need to do that soon. I still have yet to do it. That's on my list of things that I need to do, and I like don't know why I don't remember while I'm cleaning the tub, but I always remember while I'm in the shower, and I'm like, I really need to do this. I just need to, like, one day right after I get out of the shower, hurry and clean it. But we are going to take out this garbage, we're going to vacuum the floors, and then we'll give the floors a really good mop really quick, put everything back, and then we'll move on into Waverly's room. washer went a little crazy, I guess, while it was going, and I can't open up the door. So we're gonna have to wait until Trajan gets home, and that's all the laundry we're getting done today. Oops. Waverly's room really wasn't too messy, so we just had to kind of straighten things up and tidy, vacuum. It was kind of frustrating that the washer ended up doing that, because I was only able to start the one load of laundry and that was it. I couldn't even fold the clothes in the dryer, so I didn't get as much laundry accomplished on that day than I had hoped, and we were behind. But throughout the week we were able to get things straightened up and get caught up on the laundry. So as of now, we are caught up on the laundry. We're just kind of doing our weekly once a day kind of laundry that I usually like to do. So it really isn't too bad. All was well, but we just were behind for one more day. But moving on into this kitchen, it really wasn't messy. Like I said, our house really wasn't too bad. So I just wanted to first start out by wiping all of the counters down, and then we're going to go ahead and deep clean this microwave. And I really needed to deep clean this stovetop. So I'm just using my rag to clean the microwave. I didn't do anything crazy. We usually always cover our food when we are warming things up, so our microwave usually doesn't get too bad, so I just needed to do a quick little wipe down. And then as for the stove, I use my Dawn power wash and a scrub daddy and just really scrub the whole stove top. And then I'll take a little razor blade and I will go through that and get all of the grime and gross stuff, and it got so much cleaner by me doing this. And then I'll just take some spray and shine up the outside of the microwave, the stovetop, and then like the stove area, just getting it all shined up.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I
am going ahead and getting things finished up in the kitchen. We got the stovetop, microwave, the fridge all cleaned up. I got the dishes all done. I cleaned up the outside of the microwave, and I'm going ahead and putting these kitchen stools up. Ever since I really started eating at these stools, there's always crumbs, so I went ahead and picked up the big ones that wouldn't get picked up by the vacuum, and I'm shaking this rug really quick, and then I'm going to give the floors a really good vacuum, and then we'll go in with my O-Cedar spin mop and really give the floors a really good mop. The floors really were in a desperate need for a mop since I just had been sick and we had been busy. The cleaning just had been pushed back, and it was time for the house to get clean, and it felt so good. And speaking of just like cleaning and organizing, I have about 3 months left of my pregnancy, and it has flown by, and I feel like I've kind of pushed doing all the nesting and buying things until now, and now it's hitting me that we have 3 months and baby boy is going to be here. So be expecting a lot of just nesting, organization, pregnancy videos. I'm really wanting to share like pregnancy must-haves, like newborn must-haves, all of that kind of stuff, postpartum care, sharing all of that. So be looking forward to a ton of just pregnancy nesting motivation, because it is finally hitting me that baby is going to be here, and I need to get things in gear to be prepared, because I feel like I was prepared for Waverly, but I want to be a little bit more prepared with this baby, knowing that I do have a toddler that I'm also going to be trying to take care of and spend as much time as I can with her when the baby comes, because I know that's going to just be a really big adjustment. So I have a few things that are on my list that I need to buy furniture wise, and you'll just slowly be seeing things get bought and into the house as we go. Hopefully we can get things all like straightened up and ready by July, like end of July, so that way August we can just spend the time savoring the last month of a family of 3. And I mean, we'll be soaking it up all summer long, but hopefully then we'll have like a whole month that I won't be completely stressing about getting things ready for baby. We'll be pretty good to go. So that's my hope. Will it happen? I don't know, we'll see, but that's the goal, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. But we're going to finish mopping these floors, and then that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and hanging out with me. I hope you were able to get tons of cleaning motivation, and you could clean along with me or just hang out and get some motivation for your cleaning that you'll do later. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on Friday in my very next video. Bye!
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easy.